This is Katie. I just came out on my porch to get some wood and to check on the snow. And it's falling quite steadily. It's really cold out here. It's about 11 degrees. And it's actually about 80 degrees in my house because I have the wood stove on. But it's freezing out here. It's supposed to get windy, but it's not really too windy yet. So, from my porch in Vermont, this is Katie sending everybody a video greeting. I love the stillness of the snow at night. It's just so beautiful. Down below me is a valley, and the sounds come right up from the valley. But what I can hear is the snow actually hitting the branches on the trees. But I don't think you can hear that on this video. Okay, Lisa. There you go.